Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a beautiful 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt. It is the 2LT model, so we do get power options here, and we get alloy wheels. So it's a very nice, clean car here, nice black in color. It does have low miles for the year. It does have 87,000 original 3-owner, no accident miles, auto check certified. Comes with edge tires all the way around, except for on the right rear. That tire was recently replaced, probably due to a nail. But it comes with nice, clean and clear headlights. It is powered by the 2.2 Ecotec engine. Now this engine's been used for many years in the past, typically in the Chevy Cavalier. I mean, this is the Chevy Cavalier successor. So the motor is very reliable, runs for a good long time, and we haven't seen any problems out of it yet. So still a very good vehicle. Clean dash with just some glue right here from a mounted probably GPS unit or something like that. Does have CD player, AM FM radio, also has ice cold AC, dual cup holders, a little power socket for charging port. Comes with the dual vanity mirrors, no lights on these, just vanity mirrors. And looking down the side, this is a very beautiful vehicle. Not really any dings or dents. Been very well maintained. Fresh brakes, fresh tires. Has the floor mats with it. Nice clean smell on the inside, smoke and pet free. Just a couple dings on the passenger rear door, but nothing major. And the trunk's nice and spacious. It comes with split fold 60/40 rear seats with the battery being located in the rear of the vehicle. But this is how you fold the seats forward. And as you can see, the 2LT designation. And we have just a scratch here on the bumper, little nick there. Nice clean roof and top surface. Body side moldings to help against dings and dents. And here's our power windows, locks, and mirrors. The car, like I said, drives really well. Stops on a dime, good acceleration, nice idle. So everything is turnkey, ready to go. Has cruise control. And then combination switches include headlights and wiper blades. And no warning lights on the dash. The revs up nicely, idles smoothly. AC's ice cold. And stereo works very nicely. And then, yes, it does have the owner's manual. I didn't know if we checked that or not, but everything else is working, all the power window locks and mirrors. So car's ready to go. Come on down and check this one out for yourself. You can find this beautiful 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.